Video of Oracle, we are going to learn about our topic number 15, how to apply foreign key. So let's look at how to apply foreign key. Foreign key. Foreign key attributes are referenced attribute will accept only that data which is present in its referenced field or primary key attribute of master table. So it is very important point that the attribute means foreign key attributes will accept only that data which is present in its referenced field or primary key of the master table. Now second point is referenced attribute or foreign key attributes can accept null value, means it can accept the null value. Now reference attribute or foreign key attributes can repeat the same data more than one times, what that data must be present in the primary key attribute of master table. This is the third point and most important point, that the data should be present in the primary key attribute or of the master table. There it can repeat the same data in the reference attribute or the foreign key attributes. Now, fourth point is when you are going to reference the child table to master table using particular attribute, then always remember that Oracle create the reference on the basis of data types and size, but not on the basis of attribute name or field name. So, in Oracles, your reference is on the basis of data type and size, but not on the basis of attribute name or the field names. So when you are going to create the reference child to master table using particular attribute, then always remember this point, that the reference data is going to be on the basis of data type and size and not on the basis of attribute name and the field name. So next point is, if you are going to delete particular record of master table, then Oracle will not allow you to delete the record until you delete the record from its reference table or child table. Otherwise, error will generate. So if you are deleting anything of the particular records of the master table, then Oracle will not allow you to delete the record until you delete the records from its different table or child table. If you deleted the record from the child table, then you can delete it from the master table. Otherwise, you are not allowed to do that. So this is the fifth point and most important point. Now, sixth point. What if you want to delete the record from master table and also the record of its reference table or child table, then you will have to use on delete cascade command, the reserve keyword with foreign key attributes. So you have to use on delete cascade reserve keyword with foreign key attributes. So sixth point is stating us that if you want to delete the record from master table and also the record of its reference table or the child table, then you will have to use on delete cascade reserve keyword with foreign key attributes. Now, seventh point is when you are going to reference the child with master table, then always remember that master table must have primary key attributes. So this is the seventh point and important point. 8 point. At first, you will have to drop reference table, then after master table will be dropped, otherwise error will generate. So you have to be careful at this point that at first you will have to drop reference table, then master table will be dropped. If the reference table is not dropped, then you cannot drop the master table. So you have to drop the reference table first, then you can drop the master table. Otherwise, the error will generate. Syntax. So here, column name, data type, size, constraint name, references. This is the main important point. For the referencing the value means using the foreign key. References, master table name, primary key attribute here, and on delete cascade. So this is the syntax through which you can use the foreign key in Oracle. Now here is the example. EID. This is an employee ID. whose data type is n var 2, size is 10, constraint EID FKCHK. Here references is used for the foreign key. So I am using the foreign key on the employee table on EID field, and we are using it with the keyword references and also with the keywords on delete cascade. So EID and var2 of size 10, whose constraint is EID FKCHK. Now it references the employee EID with on delete cascade. So this is an example of foreign key or reference attributes. Now here is in the tables, you can see that create table employee. This is the table of employee. We are creating the table of employee in oracles, and EID is the field of n var2 size, whose size is 10, constraint EID PKCHK, primary key. So we are applying the primary key on the field EID, whose data type is n var2 and size is 10. Now we are using the another field e name, whose data type is n var2, whose size is 13, and ECT is n var2 and size is 10, and we are closing this table. So this is the way to write the code in Oracle. Now another, we are using another tables employee salary, and here EID, which is the field of employee table, and we are using here the foreign key EID and var2 constant EID FKCHK references employee EID on delete cascade. So this is the code for foreign key attributes. Now e-salary is number 7, 2. So this is the how you can add the foreign key on the employee salary table, and it references the tables employee, which is the master table of EID. So this is the way through which you can add the foreign key in the Oracle. So thanks for watching.